Overheating gator. From the previous question, mine is on a gas gator. I have replaced the radiator.
What's the brand and model of your radiator? How old is it?
Heat sensor, temp sensor on the engine, etc. I will have an age answer in a minute. It is a John Deere gator.
How long has this been going on with your John Deere radiator? What have you tried so far?
It is serial number W006x4x051876. The John Deere dealer replaced the water pump and thermostat. I have replaced the thermocouple power switch and the temp sensor on the motor.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That should do it.
Hello, thanks a lot for the question. I am here to help you. However, I would need some time to read the question and guess the solution. I will try to do it ASAP, but I hope that you bear with me. The first thing to check is the cooling system. First, that all the fuses are good. You have the fuse box here, http://manuals.der.com/cesiumview/omm15018-1_d4/output/omm15018-1_d411.html. You need to check if any of the fuses is blown. If all are okay, then, can you check if the fan kicks in while overheating? Sometimes the fan dies, and you will see overheating issues.
Fuses are good, fan doesn't kick in, but you can bypass the temp switch and it will run. It is a brand new thermostat, part number 018587.
Okay, and the water pump?
Brand new, replaced at John Deere dealer January 7, 2021.
So, in that case we need to check the temperature sensor.
Replaced this as well last week, and then I replaced the sensor on the engine as well.
Okay, in that case you need to open the cooling circuit and see if the water really flows through the system. If any pipe is clogged, the water can't flow. This is the only possible explanation.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.